Hi everyone, and welcome to the experimental for the thermochemistry lab. So what I have here is our basic setup for our coffee cup calorimeter. We have a ring stand here, a plastic beaker with a styrofoam cup similar to the ones that you'll be using as your reaction cups. So I have one styrofoam cup, which will be our insulator, and when we have our cup to be put in for the reaction, we'll simply just place it in like so, and we'll submerge our temperature probe. So really quick, I just want to show you guys using a sample cup how the probe works, how the vernier is all set up here. So essentially what we're going to do is when you have your reaction cup, and let's just say add some water here so we can see the temperature difference occurring. The whole point of this is before you start your reaction, before you add whatever the reactant is, you want your temperature to stabilize and come to equilibrium. So right now you can see the temperature here is dropping, showing that our probe is working. And for this lab, you'll notice that we have 2 decimal places in the readings. This is crucial. And I'll zoom in there for you so you can just see that. So you can see that our temperature is fluctuating right now. Okay, and that's just showing that's working there. So the general setup, again, I have my ring stand, a plastic cup, an insulating styrofoam cup, which will sit inside the plastic one. This is going to keep your reaction, This is going to keep your reaction insulated, okay? So if we're following the directives for the first one here, now the whole point of this guy is we're recording temperature difference. We're looking at the initial temperature and the final one, and this is going to allow us to use Hess's law when determining the heats of these reactions here. So looking at the thermochemistry of the reaction. So really quick, we're going to have a beaker here with our stir rod, which will hold that in there, and you're going to want to make sure that your stir rod is cleaned off in between each of your runs. So using your rinse beaker, make sure that your stir rod is clean and dry for this. Okay? Put that in there, put my rinses here. So what I'm going to do is just step through the reactions with you, and we'll go through for each one. So I'm going to stop this right here as our intro, and then we'll get into the first reaction.